You also want to, when you start creating, is have your storyboard open, because here's my title. So I know what title I would put there if I was Sophia. This would say Adventure Story. Now, for like Sophia's first thing, she's got her characters, her background, and what's happening. So that's what you're going to mimic over here. So she's got to put her 3 characters in here. Maybe this is a pond, and she needs to include that they're talking. Okay, text boxes to make people talk. Insert a text box, and you just draw the text box where you want it. Now, if you want speech bubbles, what you can do, insert, image, search the web, and we can look for speech bubbles. So if I find a speech bubble, I can simply click on it and insert it. And I know it's giant, but I can also basically make it smaller. So I can use these as speech bubbles for people for talking. Okay, you also can do different things with the speech bubble. Under format options, I can flip the speech bubble into the other direction if I want to. Now you might be saying, but there's no text in here. All I have to do is go insert text box, and I can draw it right inside the speech bubble and then type what I want in. Hello, how are you? If I need to make my text box bigger, I can simply click on the corners. If I want to make my speech box bigger, I click on the corner selection blocks, and I can move my speech. I can even group these things together so they move together now. Watch. If I click and I select, I'm going to get rid of, didn't mean to do that. If I select this and hold Shift key down and select my speech bubble, I can go to arrange and say group. And now watch. They're both together. So if I have a character I need to put in, I can go to insert image. If I've downloaded it, I can do upload from computer. If I need to find it, I can look for a frog. And if I want one that looks animated, I can do clip art, frog. And then I can find my frog. Maybe if I want a PNG so I don't have a weird background. So just say I like this frog. I click insert. I don't know why it wouldn't create some images. Let's try that again. Okay, so I'll go insert, image again, search the web. Let's try this frog. Click on it, insert. There's my frog. It's giant, so I'm going to click on it. Oop, I even made it bigger. I have no idea what I just did. Look for the selection back in the corner, and I can drag in. Here's my frog, and then I can move my thing. Oops, I don't know why my inside didn't move, so I'll move my inside in. And now my frog is talking. Okay, if I need my frog in my next scene, I can do slide, duplicate the slide, and then I don't have to insert him again. Different conversation. I can literally just delete what I don't want, delete the text box. And maybe I've got another character that's in this now. So I insert image. If you have it saved, you upload it from the computer. If not, I can search from my web, and maybe I need an ant. And I'm going to say clip art if I don't want a picture. And I'm going to do PNG if I'm going to try to find one without a background. So I'm going to click, let's find an ant that I like. Kind of like this one. I'm going to insert him. There's my ant. See, I did PNG so I don't have the background. I need him to be smaller. I drag in the corner, and I can even rotate him if I want to. Okay, maybe I want him to look like he's laying down, so I'm going to rotate him like this. Well, that looks weird. Okay. So then I can do another speech bubble if I want. I literally can copy and paste this speech bubble. So I have another one and move it over here So this guy's talking, and I can insert my text boxes. Just draw one here. Maybe Frog saying, "What do you want?" Question mark. Then over here, I can go insert text box. So you have to insert text box. Insert is your friend. Insert text box, insert image. I insert my text box, and maybe it says, "I would like to invite you to dinner." Okay, the thing is, if you can't read the font so well on some of the background, go up here, pick a different color that sticks out more. Remember, to change something, you just have to highlight it, and up here, here's font, here's size, bold, italic, underline, and here's color. Okay, if I need my next slide and I need my frog and my ant in my next slide in the same background, I can go slide, duplicate the slide. Here I am in my 4th slide, and I can change whatever I need. And that's some basics for how you create and start your fairy tale in Google Slides.